Hey guys, I'm Matty from the Edge Equine. I'm a mechanical engineer and one of the service technicians here. I'm here to show you how easy it is to use our refillable grease gun. We've developed this product after lots of feedback regarding how messy and awkward it can be to refill the grease guns, so we've developed this product. And I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on how it works. So you start by removing the lid on your existing grease gun, and then the lid on the refillable grease cartridge. You'll then notice a small lip on the refillable grease cartridge that actually sits on the inside of the grease gun. Then with the plunger provided, you just simply want to plunge all the grease into the grease gun. Once all the grease has been plunged in there, simply just wipe it off and reattach the lid. Then with the plunger again, you simply just want to prime the grease gun, remove all the air bubbles, and then it's ready to use. So there it is, nice and easy. And don't forget, we offer a $15 credit of the cost of a new cartridge every time you send an empty one back. Thank you very much.